Euh, euh, je sais que je vous dérange un peu avec mes chansons qui sortent comme ça. Bon, je dérange pas certains, mais je dérange beaucoup plus de monde. I think so. Mais voilà, Heston, Heston, s'il vous plaît. Je pense que ce sera la dernière. Arrête. C'est une chanson de Jason Derulo. Les Robins de Bois ou les filles sentimentalistes comme moi connaissent ça. Donc elle est magnifique, elle est vraiment magnifique. Donc je vous invite à écouter ma voix la chantant. Hey, please. It will be the last one. Last. Kadar khas. Never again. Never. Okay, let's go. Avec l'instrumental. Okay. Never thought that I'd say wish I did love you ever since the first date. When you get close, my heart would just stop. And me and you together will end up on top. You changed me for better, for worse. I know I was caught up, always put you first. I never once thought you would be trifling, but oh, I was blinded. I was like, oh, never wanna let you go, 'cause I was open before, but now I know that love made me blind, so I couldn't see all the lies you told were right in front of me. 'Cause love made me blind, I couldn't see. You made it look so perfect when it wasn't meant to be. Your love made me blind. 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 I gave all of my trust. They think being faithful was asking too much, but I'm good, glad that I know now. I was fooled, but they let me see how they say every tear has its reasons, every smile has its own season. Never once that you'll be this trifling, but oh, I was blinded. I was like, hey, never wanna let you go. Bon, je reçois un appel, je suis désolée.
Genau.